I'm getting connection interrupted. I have no clue what's happening right now. I'm moving barely. I don't know if they flooded me or what. Like, I don't know what happened. So I'm just gonna... Like, I don't understand this, dude. Like, I'm moving it with my controller. And it's just frozen, and we're up 2-0, so that's kind of weird. And I'm at the top, so... Oh. What's happening? Oh, now they want to say I don't have internet connection. Okay, this is an error occurred while accessing persistent rank data. Let's try to sign in. I honestly believe they flooded me. That was a long flood, though. I don't know. If this says DNS error, they obviously flooded me. Wow, man. Why does a 28-0 team got a flood, man? This is ridiculous. Wow, dude. We dicked on them first map, so why not just hit them off, right?